how to deposit a check on Bank of America mobile banking app. So the very first thing that you'll do is just of course to download the Bank of America application through your Google Play Store if you're using an Android, and if you're using an iOS device, then download it via the Apple Store. Now, once you have downloaded it, make sure that you will create an account using the specific account number that what you have been using for from your bank. Now, once you have successfully registered, you'll have to prepare your physical paper or your physical check. So step one is open the mobile banking app and then select deposit checks. It is usually located at the low portion of your screen, which is going to be the options that you will see. So just choose on deposit checks. Now after that, you'll have to take a picture of the front of your check clearly and make sure that it's not blurry. The other thing that you'll do is to take a picture at the back portion of your physical check, and of course make sure that it is not blurry and it is clear and readable. Now, next thing you do is select the account to receive the deposit and enter the specific amount in here. Below deposit to, there is going to be the amount option that you can choose, and then just input the specific amount. The last thing you do is to hit submit deposit, and you'll get a receipt confirming the message in seconds. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can deposit a check using the Bank of America mobile app.